So to get started, you're going to want the curved side of the blade facing in towards your hand. Now, I know that sounds counterintuitive, but trust me, that's the safest way to do it. You're going to want to hold it down here near the bottom, holding it like this and pinching motion. When you toss it, you're going to want to go slightly at an angle. Let this one free. When it spins around, you're going to want it roll over the knuckle of your thumb, like this. And then catch it on the other side. Flip this back. And flip it again while rotating it with your thumb to get it to come back in. The blade will be facing on the using side now. There you go.